kids, how are you today? I am Teacher Gigi, your teacher in English, Kinder 1. Today we will learn about the alphabet letters and its sound. But before that, we are going to sing first the alphabet song. Are you ready? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, now we will recite our alphabet. Okay, look at here. We will say it together. We'll say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Let me see if you can guess the letters. What letter is this? A. Very good. And how about this? Letter Z. What letter? Letter M. Now, we are going to learn about the letter A and its sound. Can you remember this? This is letter A and it has the sound A. I will show you a picture. Can you tell me what is this? Oh, it is an apple. Apple has the sound A. Apple. Okay, how about this? Can you tell me what picture is this? Oh, it's ant. The ant has the sound A. Ant. Again. Follow after me. A. Ant. How about this? Alligator. An alligator has the sound A. Alligator. All right. How about this picture? What's this? Oh, it is arrow. Arrow has the sound A. Arrow. And now I'm going to teach you a song that has the sound of letter A. But before that, you should follow after me. Okay, let's begin. The A sounds A. The A sounds A. Every letter makes a sound A. Okay? Let's sing together. The A sounds A. The A sounds A. Every letter makes a sound. The A says A. Apple. The A says A. The A says A. Every letter makes a sound. The A says A. Ant. The A sounds A. The A sounds A. Every letter makes a sound. The A says A. Alligator. The A sounds A. The A sounds A. Every letter makes a sound. The A says A. Arrow. Yay! You have learned the letter A and its sound. Now, take a video of yourself by saying the letter A sound and its song. Send it to our chat room. Bye-bye!